Eva trades.
Hey, welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series. Today I'm going to be trading in the simulator to practice my strategy. So here we go. And today's simulated date, is January 4th, 2023. I have four stocks that I'm watching. We got about a minute to go till the market opens, and I've got a few support and resistance levels drawn out. VVOS was the leading gapper of the morning. I pulled these tickers off of the Trade Ideas scanner for the morning of January 4th. And so over here on my other screen, I have FUTU. It's a larger, higher price stock, $40. Typically they'll have larger spreads, but if it starts to get some volume coming into it, there may be something there, so I'll keep an eye on it. Otherwise, it looks like all eyes on VVOS breaking $2 here. Nice move. ANM and GERN are both trading below the volume weighted average price. We need to see trend changes on those. Back to the bulls. And here's a quick look at the larger time frames, the 15 and the hourly time frames on all of those. Inside bar on the hourly. Okay, looks like we are open. And I can't trade that first minute. But I can look at candle ranges and make sure my stop loss parameters are correct. So I'm looking at the beginning of a trend change here, possibly on the 1 minute. We have a little higher low, looking for a higher high. Still trading below the VWAP. I think we're halted on VVOS over here. I have about 10 seconds until I could place a trade. My focus today, I think, is going to be on trying to buy pullbacks, but I might buy some breakouts. Like that one there on INM. See if we get above the volume weighted average price. There we go. And I'm going to sell it there for a quick profit. It looks like we're breaking out on GERN. Ooh, a little late on the entry there. I punched the order just after it broke. I am in it twice. It's not moving as quick as I want, so I sold half for a loss. I've still got the other half. Okay. Let's try it again now. This time I bought the pullback. That's an inside bar on the 15-minute. I'm going to sell half again just to decrease the likelihood that I would lose a lot on a drop. I'm long INM there on the pullback to this support down here. A little late getting in, but still holding GERN. I exited INM there for profit. I'm going to go ahead and get out of GERN. So I'm red on the day so far. Look at Futu over here. Selling half. I think I'm just going to sell the rest there. Looks like the chart is kind of freezing up on me, but I made $70 on that trade. I thought for a moment I might get stopped out and take a loss, but worked out in my favor. So I'm not in any trades right now. I am going to buy INM here off of that support. And GERN. Yeah, I'm going to go long GERN right there. We have an inside bar, inside bar. I'm looking for a bull break and I move up to the volume weighted average price. And a move through the high of day would be awesome. I'm actually going to move my stop loss up on GERN up to the low of that last candle. I may try to get in VVOS over here on halt resumption. So I'll be watching for that. I'm actually long over here on Futu. Oh, and GERN breaking out here. I'm going to go ahead and sell that right there. And I'm going to sell this over here. That's a beautiful move. Up to $41 there. So VVOS pulling back. Yeah, I tried to get in there, but what it's telling me is that it got halted. So I can't buy in after it's been halted. So I tried to buy GERN, but it looks like the chart is freezing up on me a little bit there. It's kind of hard to tell exactly what's going on. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to get back out of INM. I'll hold the one position. I am long over here, selling most of that. There's a big move there. I'm up 285 now on that stock. Let's get back over here. I'm going to get out of that one. So I'm all out on GERN. I'm still holding one position on INM. I want to see if we get a bounce. I have my stop loss pretty tight here at the low of day at 254. So I'm risking $20 on that. GERN coming up there to that high of day. So I'm in it. That was a nice move. Not holding up there. We get back out. So this is where I'll look to buy a pullback on GERN to that support level. Nice break on INM. I'm going to go ahead and sell INM there. Sell half of GERN and then look for the breakout here on the rest of that. Can we break? Yep, there's 370. I'm going to sell it right there. I'll buy it here. Why not? It's a back test of this high of day level, previous high of day. And I'm all out there. So for the moment, I'm only up about 150 bucks. Because I'm sitting green, 362 over here on FUTU. Played that move on the way up. But with the candles freezing up on it, it's a little hard for me to trade it. So I don't really know. But I'll trade it again. Everything's frozen right now. You can see the price down here, and the price ladder is moving. But there's nothing happening up here on my charts. GERN, nice bull break. We're about to get a new 5-minute candle. So I think I'm going to, now that I see that, I'm going to get out and take the profit while I have it. And then I'll look for a pullback. Still halted on VVOS going down. We have support down here on VVOS at $1.81. Long INM. I'm buying VVOS off of $2. I don't know. It might get halted going down again. It might be halted right now, I'm thinking. Let's see, I'm going to move my stop loss up right to the low of that last candle. Right there. I am long over here on FUTU. We have a high up here of $42. Selling half. I'm watching the price ladder down here since the chart itself isn't moving. See a breakout over here on GERN. And I'm selling it there. Back over here. Nice break, and I'm selling that. And I'm all out on GERN. So the only thing I have left that I'm holding is VVOS, and it's halted going down at 640. So I'll look for halt resumption in a couple more minutes on that. And it's possible we open down here at this support and I get stopped out. I'll lose $100 if that happens. I'm going to have to cancel my orders, my limit orders there. So I'm in this twice. Yeah. Hopefully we'll see maybe resume lower and then a surge back up through $2 because I'm in right at $2. I thought we'd see a bounce there, but unfortunately the momentum going down was just a little too rough. And FUTU breaking through 42, but then pulling back now. So that's a rejection off of 42. You can see the 5-minute candle there, and we're going to close in another minute. So I don't know. I doubt we'll recover $42 in the next minute or two, but we could. Looking for a dip buy here on GERN. I don't know. We got a rejection on that 5-minute time frame there too. So I don't know that I want to do a dip buy. I think I'm just going to wait and watch VBOS. We got about a minute left till that halt resumption. It's either going to be at 6:45 or 6:46. There's GERN. I'll go ahead and buy that drop. And I'll sell it there. Didn't really make a lot on that. So if VVOS does drop, I might try to add to it to bring my cost basis down and then look for a bounce off of maybe $1.81. So watching for halt resumption. Wow, we're really dropping over there on INM. That dip buy that I did on GERN, that was a nice dip buy. Too bad I didn't hold that a little more. That's okay. So either VVOS is going to be, here we go. So I'm going to buy that dip there and see if we get a move back up. Could halt going down again, but we'll see here. See what happens. So I sold part of my position. I'm going to sell more of it there. I'm all out except for one position I'm still holding. I'm just going to sell the rest there. So I'm all out. So that was nice. I bought back in to bring my cost basis down and then sold on the move back up. I didn't want to hold that because we are pulling back. Probably due for a bounce soon, but we'll see what happens there. So that was a nice win. Nice way to turn a loser into a winner. GERN. Yeah, if I'd have held that, because I got in on this pullback to the EMA, and holding that would have been a really, really nice trade. So I'm in FUTU again here, but with those candles freezing up, it kind of confused me a little. So I might be in at the wrong spot. Yeah, stopped out on that. So I gave back $100 profit. Buying the dip there. Yeah, I'm going to get back out. I was looking for something a little more bullish. GERN. Let's see what we get here. Pulling back a little bit. We did break 382 just a little bit. There's a drop on GERN, so I'm in it there. I'll look for a pop back up, but I see a lot of sellers on the ask here. There's the pop back up, so I'm selling a part of that just to lower my cost basis. Let's see if we get a break through the high. What I did was I bought off of the EMA here. So I'm holding one position. I'm going to move my stop loss up to the low of that last candle. Nice triangle pattern here on INM. There's the break, GERN. Let's see, do we get a break and then a rejection right away? Should I hold it? I'm going to get out right away. So I didn't make a lot on that, but, you know. And VVOS halted going up. How do you like that? I am tempted. I was going to stop trading, but I'm tempted to stick around just a little bit longer and see if I can buy a halt resumption on VVOS. Taking a starter position on INM here. This could be a bear flag. Have to be aware of that. GERN. I'm going to go ahead and buy back on that. We have a support down here. We're still holding the EMA. Get rid of this line. It's no longer in play. I'll put one up here at the high of day, 384. Nice break on INM, so we'll see if we get follow through. I'll just hold that for a little bit. I'm back in over here on FUTU. Selling half. Take a look at my other trades over here. Yeah, I'm out of GERN. I'm going to take the profit, I think, on INM while I've got it. Big drop on GERN there. Let's see, I'll buy it. Get a little pop back up just for quick profit. Maybe. There it is. I'm going to sell it there. That was a nice bounce. That was really nice. So I'm still in FUTU over here. I think, well, there's no harm in holding it. I'm in right at the volume weighted average price. So I'll just hold that for a bit. And INM really did go higher. Didn't know if it would or not. Let's see. So we were halted at 6:49 here on VVOS. Halt resumption should be in about 30 seconds or so. So I'm long GERN there, that little pullback down to this support. Watching VVOS. There's halt resumption. So I'm in it there. Buying the pullback. Selling half to bring my cost basis down. Let's see if it'll move up. Really whipping around. And I'm still in one time. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it there. So I made a little bit on that. Looks like we might get halted again. Let's see here. GERN, we have GERN, we have a bear flag. And you know what? I'm thinking, I'm still holding some trades here, but I'm thinking I want to be done with my day. Kind of churning shares just a little bit. So I'm up 327 over there. And I'm not really so concerned about the profit. What I wanted to do was practice my my entries, and there is a Futu breaking down now. So glad I got out of that. I would take a trade here on GERN if we drop down to the volume weighted average price all of a sudden. I think that would be a good entry. So I'm up exactly $201 on my day, and I think that's probably a pretty good day. I've had a problem Monday morning. I had a problem with my trading where I was trying to buy breakouts and it just wasn't happening for me. So I was going to work on, buying some dips and stuff like that. I'm not sure how I did today. I'm going to have to go back and take a look, but I think that's going to do it for me. That's my trading day. I may do another practice session before I trade Tuesday morning, but I'll see if I have time for that or not. I think practice is a good thing to do. Let me just see here if this is going to break down first on GERN. I'm just curious. See if we get that 5-minute consolidation. Maybe it's just going to try to go from here. I'm in it twice. Selling half there. I'm going to add to it. I'm in over here too. Selling half there. Nice move. I'm going to sell rest right there. Not sure about GERN. So just when I thought I was done, here I am trading some more. Let's see if we get continuation on GERN. That was a nice move on that last candle. Yeah, I think I'm just going to get out. So I'm all out there. So it didn't really make a lot. Matter of fact, I think I gave back a little, but I did make some over here. So that's not too bad. Go ahead and take a shot at FUTU here. Let's see what we get. Okay, there's the break through that high. Ooh, we got a new candle there. I'm in it at 54 cents. Oh, I'm going to get back out. That was not the best trade. Here we go. GERN. Didn't quite get to the volume weighted average price, but that was a drop that I was kind of looking for. So I'm back in Futu over here. I'm buying at $41.66 on that pullback, and there we go. There's the jump up. So I'm going to look for a break through the high of 42.11. Oh, there we got it. You can't see it on the chart, but you can certainly see it down here on the price ladder. So we made that break over 42. So I'll just continue to watch it down here, I guess. There we go. Nice move. I'm all out right there. $575 now on FUTU. That was a beautiful breakout. I bought the pullback right here to the EMA, and then it took off and went. Okay, that is most certainly going to do it for me. I'm up $449 on my day in this risk management series. Not bad price action as far as that goes. Yeah, so pretty good. Thanks for watching. I hope you found some value in this, and I'll see you next time right here at Eva Trades. Bye-bye.